I started doing intros where like I was all fully beat or whatever, but this is different. Watch me go from this
to this.
This is how I catfish. Not my classmates because I look like actual shit every time I go to school. But like, this is just how I catfish my peers. You know, I feel like shit. I'm on my period. I feel like I'm gonna be talking about my period a lot in this. I'm like breaking out and my hair's in a bun and I look stupid and I look ugly and I don't like myself and I don't... It's just the way I'm feeling, you know? Let's start with foundation. I'm gonna use something to cover up all my hormonal acne while I tell you about my PSing? Oh my god, it's PMSing. My PMSing breakdown. My mom was like, Juliana, take out the trash. And I was like, I had just woken up. I woke up like so late and I don't know why, but I did. Point of the case is my brother was sitting right there on the couch doing absolutely nothing. So I was like, so basically you waited for me to get out to take the trash out. And then it wasn't even just like one bin of trash. It was like, there were like 3 little, you know those stupid ass little grocery bags families like to keep for whatever reason. There were like 3 of those little grocery bags filled with recycling stuff. And then like a trash bag. And she was like, go take out the trash. And my brother was sitting there like, watching his little movie, and I was like, can Dominic like help me? Like he's doing nothing and there's like 4 bags and I'm like one girl. And then mom was like, Juliana, you do nothing in this house. And I was like, oh my fucking god, Dominic is the one in this house that doesn't do anything. And I started going off and then she was like,
Watch your profanity.
I have good news though. Ever since I exposed Melissa in my last video, and if you don't know who Melissa is the ghost that lives in my house, there have been no more paranormal occurrences, so that's always great. What?
Where's my eyebrow thing?
My mom had the audacity to come. I'm talking really low because what if she overhears me? But she had the audacity to come for my brand the other day. She was like, you know what you need to do? You need to put me on your channel so you can attract an older audience. And I was like, funny how she didn't care about my channel when I was at like 75 subscribers. She ain't a true stan. A BuzzFeed video was sent into my like subscription my recommended videos to watch on YouTube, damn it, okay? And it was like, never have I ever, but like period style. And then like one of the questions was, never have I ever got a tampon, like lost a tampon, like while it's yeah. And now I am literally not kidding at all, scared shitless. What am I gonna do like if I lose? The real catfish comes out of me when I highlight and contour. I'm actually kidding. I'm not even that much of a catfish. Like, I low-key kind of like look like myself in my photos, okay? I have that one song from X9. I really said X9 bye. Stuck in my head on replay, just the part where he's like, with the sticky, you know that song? Like, what the fuck is he even saying? No one even knows. At first, when I heard about the price of this powder, I was like, sis, homie, I get it and I respect, bro. Like, I respect, bro. This powder gets rid of your pores. It's like key to being the #1 catfish. The goal is to like not even be recognizable. Bro, what the freak? I'm actually pissed off right now. I just realized someone hijacked my Christmas lights. They were literally right here. And now those hoes are gone. I was just about to like put the Christmas lights in the back because like the background looks bland as hell. And I was like, let me put some Christmas lights back there. Like, it's about to be Christmas. All right, let me not disrespect Thanksgiving. Never mind. Bro, I swear my mom be lurking outside my door every time I film with her at the house. That's why I don't like filming with her in the house. That's why she's outside my door. I don't know if I'm being dramatic and like she's not actually outside my door, but like, I swear. The next step to bamboozling these hoes is to bronze. For bronzer today, we're not gonna use 1 bronzer. We're not gonna use 2 bronzers. We ain't gonna even use 3. We finna use 4 bronzers. And sis, hear me out. This one's really light. It's like gonna be like the transition shade. This one's like a good bronzer for me. And then this one I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring with, but I like to use this one on my nose. I'm also gonna put music on because, I don't know, I feel like I should. Oh, the process also helps if you like turn down your brightness. Now you just want to add some color onto your eyelids. I'm just gonna go in with like a couple of these neutral shades. To be quite frank with y'all, I look like a whole ass mole rat. Just add some attention. I don't want to film right now. See, like the eyeshadow doesn't really matter. Like the lashes are gonna be so big, it'll cover like any eyeshadow mistakes, so that you know, it just doesn't matter. God, I can't speak. I do this every video. I have like a fucking speech problem where I can't say anything. The other day I was thinking about like the concept of dating. Can't relate, by the way, like really can't. But what the hell, that is like so scary. How do people go on dates without having a panic? Damn, I really can't speak. Naturally, to catfish people, you want to add the like the biggest, most glamorous eyelashes you own, you know? Now that you look basically unrecognizable, you want to add some of the same. Actually, you kind of look weird. Anyway, I'm gonna add some of this to my lower. You can't even see. I look like a whole ass raccoon. Oh, I look like a raccoon. Let's add some mascara. Every mascara I own is about drier than a mofo though. So we about to see. Low key, like this stuff probably is the stuff that's like the reason why I break out. I say as I spray it all over my damn face. Really love that, really do. Oh, duh. You gotta get some highlighter. I'm gonna do fake freckles and highlighter. You just gotta hit the nose. You just gotta hit like right here. You just gotta hit it. Okay? That's a focal point for catfishing. Should I get my septum pierced? You wanna hit this too. See what I'm saying? Like, just put the brightness down. You look like a whole new bitch. Problem fixed, bro. Like, what if you could go on a date with like the brightness like really low and like a Snapchat filter on? What is my mindset? I don't know if it's because like sister's feeling a little emotional. I don't know what's wrong with me. Let me stop talking. I can barely get a like actual proper sentence out. So let me just do my freckles real quick. Just wanna, you know, finesse. I do this like so like today I was burping and I threw up water. That's like always cute, you know, like when you throw up water. This brow pencil is so dry. It's like I'm carving out my eyebrows with a damn knife when I try to use this shit. But for freckles, it slaps, okay? Like slaps. Like just add like a few in like random ass spots. And don't be sister stupid. Blend your freckles out, bro. Now I'm gonna do some lips. I think I'm gonna do a little ombre lip, like a little. You'll see. You'll see. Just kidding. No ombre lip. I'm gonna do the fresh out of the lip injections facility place doctor thing. I'm gonna do that type of lip, where you basically finesse, fake it till you make it with some over lined lips. I don't do too much, but I be doing a little some. Then you gotta put on the gloss to get the DSL lip thing going on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, see, damn, I can't even say gentlemen, like damn, something is really wrong with me. That is how I catfish people. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all the most. I will see you all in my next one. I can't even fucking speak for the fucking life of me. I hate my life. I'm PMSing. Love that for me. And I'm hungry and I just ate. If you want, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers. We're really close. We're like almost there. And also turn on the bell to get notified every time I post, girly. I'm gonna go take a nap.